This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: clean hands, charged battery, and the correct filter type. First, inspect the shell and seals for damage so you avoid leaks. Then, attach the approved filter and hand tighten. Do not cross-thread. Once done, slip the mask on and cinch the straps from bottom to top to seat the nose bridge. This ensures a secure seal. Make sure the mask rests evenly on your face so sensors and breathing channels align correctly before moving forward. You now configure the mask controls and validate performance. Power it on and allow the self-test to complete so motors and sensors initialize properly. Adjust airflow and sensitivity settings according to activity and comfort. Higher flow for exertion, lower for stationary use, because wrong settings affect protection and battery life. Then perform a negative pressure fit check and monitor the internal display or app for leaks. Repeat strap adjustments until readings stay within safe thresholds to guarantee proper function during use. You complete the process by locking components and beginning operation while observing the first minutes for anomalies. After use, clean the exterior with approved wipes and store filters in a sealed bag. Routine replacement prevents failure. If the unit chirps or shows error codes, stop and follow troubleshooting. First swap the battery or recharge, then rerun the self-test. If problems persist, inspect seals and filter seating because most faults stem from poor contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.